Welcome back to Motor Insight. Today, we're looking at the 2025 KTM 450SX F Factory Edition, KTM's flagship motocross machine built to bring factory performance straight to your garage. Let's dive into what makes this edition stand out in 2025. Design and build. KTM has continued its aggressive design language in the 2025 450SX F Factory Edition. The bodywork is slim, angular, and built for rider mobility. The graphics package is race-inspired, mirroring KTM's official Supercross and Motocross team bikes. This factory edition looks fast standing still, with orange anodized triple clamps, a factory hole-shot device, and a black frame setting it apart from the standard model. Chassis and suspension. The updated frame and subframe offer improved flex characteristics, giving riders better feedback and control in corners. The WP-Zact suspension package is fully adjustable, and the factory edition comes with race-ready settings straight out of the crate. KTM has focused on increasing stability without compromising the bike's agility, especially under hard acceleration and braking. Engine and performance. The 450 cubic centimeters SOHC engine has received subtle refinements. It remains lightweight and compact but delivers power in a more usable, linear way. Mapped for responsiveness, the factory edition also includes a quickshifter and launch control, features that competitive riders will appreciate. KTM's traction control system helps manage all that power on slick or rough surfaces, giving riders an edge when traction is inconsistent. Electronics and factory components. This year, KTM steps up its electronics with a connectivity unit that allows riders to fine-tune engine mapping and traction settings via a mobile app. Also included is a handlebar-mounted map switch and LED indicators for functions like launch control. Factory parts like the Akrapovic slip-on exhaust, lightweight wheels, and a composite skid plate all add real performance value, not just bling. Ride impressions. On the track, the factory edition feels planted and razor-sharp. The suspension soaks up rough landings with confidence, and the power delivery is immediate but controllable. KTM's focus on centralization and balanced geometry is noticeable, especially when cornering or hitting rhythm sections. This isn't just a race replica, it's race-ready from day one. Final thoughts. The 2025 KTM 450SX F Factory Edition isn't for casual riders, it's for those who demand top-tier performance and want to ride what the pros ride. It's light, fast, refined, and packed with technology. If you're serious about motocross, this bike is one of the best factory offerings on the market today. That's it for today's review of the 2025 KTM 450SX F Factory Edition. Thanks for watching Motor Insight. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next ride.